In this new tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram automatic closing easily and fast. So if you have the auto close problem, this video is gonna help you a lot. Just keep watching until the very end. So first step you have to do is very simple. Go to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode like this and wait a few seconds and disable it again. Now go back, go to the apps manager on the settings. Now right here on this page you will find all the apps. As you can see, just scroll until you find Instagram. Click on it. This is the app information page. All what you have to do on this page is so easy and simple. Click on the permissions first thing and make sure that all the permissions are enabled. The second thing is go to the data usage and make sure that all network access are enabled. And the last thing is go to this open by default, click on always allow and make sure that always allow is chosen right here. Now click on force stop and go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, restart your phone, reopen Instagram and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.